And welcome back, YouTube. This is Booster Box Buster, here with another Wildcard Wednesday. Today I got for you a really cool item that I just happened to stumble upon in the store. I did not even know that they made this. A Pokemon Detective Pikachu Lunch Box, promoting the movie along with the Pokemon Detective Pikachu TCG set. This is really cool. I really like the design of this particular lunchbox. As you can tell, we have the brick with the Detective Pikachu logo right in the middle there. On the side, you got a whole bunch of different images of Detective Pikachu's silhouette, and I love it, absolutely love it. On the back, you have some more information. Very cool. I like it a lot. And then here are the particular contents that you get. You get 7 Pokemon TCG Detective Pikachu Booster Packs, a collector's pin inspired by Detective Pikachu, and much more, which it says right over here. 2 additional Pokemon TCG Booster Packs, so 9 packs total. That's very awesome. And a Pokemon Notepad and sticker sheet. So I'm really excited to give this a shot. And honestly, I'm super excited about the Detective Pikachu movie. I cannot wait to go see it in theaters. Honestly, there's a lot of good movies that are either just released or coming out very soon this year that I want to see. Detective Pikachu, obviously. Avengers Endgame is, I think, at the top of every single person's list. Oh, that's really cool. That was hidden behind the wrapping there. You get a little extra Detective Pikachu graffiti on the wall there. That's adorable. I really want to see the Joker movie. That looks fantastic. And Shazam. I have not seen Shazam yet. I think that looks really fun too. Alright. So underneath, on the inside here, the lunchbox is 100% just gold on the inside. Very lovely. Put that to the top here. The contents, you get this very cool Pikachu silhouette, Detective Pikachu sticker sheet. Very lovely. And you get this notepad, which is mostly blank with a really cool Detective Pikachu silhouette liner on the bottom. I love that a lot. Not the most useful item, but you never know when you're going to need a piece of paper, so not bad. Let's put those to the top there. Oh, you even get a little metallic, or one of those Pokemon coins with the Detective Pikachu hat and ears. Very cool. Heads or tails, guys? Heads or tails? It was tails. And I love little pins like this, so this is a perfect addition to the pin collection. The hat and ears of Detective Pikachu. Very cool. Alright, and for the main event of this particular episode, of course, I'm talking about the booster packs. So you got a coin, you got some ears, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Detective Pikachu packs, a Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion, and a Sun and Moon Guardians Rising. Now, the Detective Pikachu packs are very small. They only contain 4 cards each. Let me see. You get 4 additional game cards plus the online code. It does not tell me the stats of how many cards are in the set, so I have no idea. That's going to be kind of interesting. well, let's get started. You know what? Let's do some Detective Pikachu. I'm really excited to see what cards are available in the Detective Pikachu packs. Because it doesn't tell me anything about it anywhere on the pack itself, so I'm excited. Ooh. So our very first card of the Detective Pikachu pack is a Snubbull Holo. So it looks like there's 18 cards total you can collect out of that set, so that's kind of cool. Now I don't know if all cards are holo or just certain cards. Oh, looks like all the cards are holo from this set. Our next one is a very creepy looking Jigglypuff, a very confused Psyduck, and a Ludicolo. Very nice. There is an online code for anyone who would like it. There you go. Hopefully you guys get some good cards out of that pack. So with 18 cards, I have a chance to pull the entire set. Very nice. And of course we start with a duplicate right off the bat, with another Snubbull, another Jigglypuff, another Psyduck, and ooh, a Slacking. Very nice. And for those of you who would like this, there is another TCG code. So we got 5 out of the 18. Oh man, Snubbull is a very popular character. We got Snubbull, the ever-confused Psyduck. Ooh, Charmander, I like that one a lot. And Mewtwo, yes. That is a great pull. Oh, looks like they do have rarities. I did not even realize that. Mewtwo is a rare, as you can tell by the gold star there. Okay, so looks like the last card in each pack is a rare. The other 3 cards are commons. Mewtwo is some sort of extra rare because he has a silver star instead of just a regular star. So that is a great, fantastic pull. I kind of figured Mewtwo would be a rare. And here is yet another TCG code for you guys. Ooh, we got a fun one. We got Carp, Magikarp. Yes. Charmander. Ooh. Morelu? I'm not familiar with that Pokemon. Looks like a ghostly mushroom, though. I kind of like it. And our rare is another Ludicolo. Very nice. And for those who would like it, here is yet another TCG card code. Alright guys, we got 3 packs left of the Detective Pikachu. Now, oddly enough, I have yet to pull an actual Pikachu, so I'm kind of hoping that I pull a Pikachu very soon. Oh, we got Bulbasaur, now they have Squirtle, the only thing missing is Squirtle now. That'd be lovely to pull a Squirtle. Lickitung? Oh man, realistic Lickitung? Would not want to run into that guy. Snubbull yet again, probably the most common of the commons, and Machamp, yeah. That is a good pull. That is a good pull. I like it a lot. There's yet another TCG code for you guys. Hopefully whoever gets it, gets something good. 2 Detective Pikachu packs left, and I just want to do a quick count here. How many different cards do we have? Looks like we pulled about 2/3 of the particular product. Still no Detective Pikachu yet, though. I'm really hoping that he is a card in here. I'd also love to pull a Squirtle if he's also in here. Bulbasaur, Magikarp, Jigglypuff, and our rare is, ooh, Arcanine. That is a sick rare. That is a great pull there. I love Arcanine. And there is the card. Alright guys, so just to share with you, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, no side up, yes, side up. So if my calculations are correct, we got 14 of the possible 18 cards, and we have 1 pack left. Let's see if we could pull a couple of new cards to end it. At least one new one would be great. Alright, so we start off with the ever-loving Jigglypuff, the ever-confused Psyduck, the very Carpy Magikarp, and our last rare of the Detective Pikachu packs is Ditto. Hey, not bad. Ditto is probably one of the most interesting Pokemons with its copy ability. I know you can't see them all, and there is a code card for you guys, but I pulled 15 of the possible 18. That is, oops, sorry, double Bulbasaur. 14 of the possible 18 that you could get from this particular set. So, I'm only missing 4 cards from the Detective Pikachu set, so that's not too bad. And I love how they're all holo, and I gotta say, favorite one is Arcanine, directly followed by Mewtwo. Good pulls. Only disappointment is I did not pull a Pikachu, which I don't even know if he's available in the set or not, or if you have to get him through the special edition package. But yeah, we'll just do a quick rundown of all the cards I got from the Detective Pikachu set. A Mewtwo, a Machamp, a Lickitung, a Ditto, a Slaking, a couple of Charmanders, a very, very awesome Arcanine, a couple of lovely Bulbasaurs, the very awesome Ludicolo, the Morelu that I'm not really familiar with, a whole bunch of confused Psyducks, just wondering what it's doing there, some Magikarps, the very creepyified Jigglypuff, and the common Snubbull. So 14 out of 18 is not bad. Alright guys, so the last things to share is what's inside these 2 packs. I have not followed Pokemon cards in a while, so I have no idea what's in here, no idea what's good, what's bad. I'm just hoping to pull some full art trainers. That would be lovely. If I get a full art trainer out of one of these 2 packs, I would seriously just like go crazy. So our very first card is Execute, followed by Mincino, Nummel, Swinub, Swablu. Our reverse holo is this guy, Kamo-O. Very interesting. Ooh, is that our rare? Our rare is Mr. Beedrill, the Water Energy, Gastrodon, Fighting Memory, Graveler, and there is our code card. Last pack, we got Sun and Moon, Guardians Rising. Ooh, this pack feels stiff. Maybe that means it contains something good. Alright guys, last pack, and we got Machop, Whalmer, Stuffle, Phantump, Heliotile. Ooh, no awesome rare for this pack, unfortunately. We got Barboach. And our rare is Pangora. Very cool looking Pokemon. Psychic Energy, Gothorita, Sableye, and Max Potion to round out the last pack. And of course, there is the final code card of the episode. Overall, I gotta say that this was a pretty fun opening. I'm really excited to have a lunch pail of the Detective Pikachu set and this really cool pin, and I gotta say, Mewtwo and Arcanine were definitely the standout pulls of this box. Well, this has been Booster Box Buster with the Detective Pikachu Pokemon TCG Lunch Box unboxing. Signing out.